This is elevator 1 at the west side at the Yards of 3 crossings in the Strip District, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is an Otis Gen2 from a few years ago, like 2016 or 17 or something like that, I think. This one, 2-suite door, hospital size, count doubles the service outlook up to 5. California buttons, which is interesting. I've seen that on newer Series 2 for a while. There we go. This is rather slow and busy. There, 5. Back down to garage. California buttons seem to always be loose. 88 phone. Series paneling. Basic tin-can cab. Flooring's fine, but the cabin's just a tin-can cab. Go back to garage. Close enough to get.